Welcome to Abhinandan Academic. My dear students, the previous video and the discussed about the different linear factor that concept based on the one problems. Okay. Now in this video we will discuss about repeating linear factor and irreducible quadratic factor concept based on the another two problems. As clear? So my dear students, if you are watching the first time my channel video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for regular updates of my channel videos. Is clear? So first the repeating linear factor concept based one example. So here a rational function, how to convert the partial fractions. Is clear? So here what is the problem? X divided by x minus 1 the whole squared into x plus 2, the given problem. So first one is repeating linear factor, second one is different linear factor concept. So both concept combined. So how to introduce this type of problem concept? So first I will introduce a divided by here x minus 1 plus another one concept b is equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus c into x plus 2, or a by x plus 2 and b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 2 the whole square. No problem, both are same way. So first I will take here. So if you need means second one you will take it, no problem. Now taking the LCM. So what's it here? The left hand side here x by x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 2. That's clear? Is equal to. Now here I am taking the LCM. Same here x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 2. That's clear? What's here? X minus 1. Here x minus 1 the whole square. Here x minus 1 the whole power 1. What are remaining? The a is equal to x minus 1 into what's the value here? X plus 2. Next plus b into here x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 1 the whole square, remove it. What are remaining? X plus 2. Over here x plus 2. Next plus c. Here c into what's the value? X plus 2. So x plus 2 remain, what are remaining? X minus 1 the whole square. Here x minus 1 the whole square. Is clear? Understood? But now here same, the denominator should be same value but cancel. What are remaining? X is equal to a into x minus 1, again x plus 2 plus b into here x plus 2 plus c into here x minus 1 the whole square. Is clear? Now here put what are the factors value? X is equal to 1 is a factor. Another one x is equal to minus 2 is a factor. Is clear? First you substitute the factor value. Over here put x is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1 means here 1 is equal to here, put x is equal to 1 means so the entire value should be 0. Is clear? Over here 0 plus b into 1 plus 2. Again x is equal to 1 means plus g also 0. About what are conclusions? B is equal to 1 by 3. Is clear? B is equal to 1 by 3. Next, what's the factor value? X is equal to minus 2. Is clear? So over here you put x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 means over here minus 2 is equal to here x is equal to minus 2 means what's the value here? Value fully completely 0. Over here 0 plus b also complete 0. Here minus 2 means over plus c into minus 2 minus 1 the whole square. Over here minus 2 into minus 3 the whole square, which is 9c. The value of c is equal to minus 2 by 9. The value of c. Is clear? Next, same way, again put here the two values are, first you substitute the factor values. So here what are the factor value? 1 and minus 2 you got to substitute. So I find out the value of b and c. Next I find out the value of a constant. Okay? Another one unknown value a. How to find the a value means you got to put the value of x is equal to 0 you got to substitute, or x is equal to 1 minus 2, sorry already minus 1. You will take any simple value. Okay, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You take it simple value. Okay, so I will choose put x is equal to 0. Is clear? Put x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0 means here 0. Next, what's the value here? X is equal to 0 means here 0, here 0. What's the meaning? A into minus 1 and 2. Again next b into 2 plus c into minus 1 the whole square. That's clear? About a conclusion, 0 into minus 2a plus 2b here plus c. So here 0 into minus 2 into a plus 2 into b value is equal to 1 by 3. c is equal to minus 2 by 9. That's clear. Just equal to simplify. Here 0 is equal to minus 2a, just plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 9. Over here just equal to cancel, simplify. Here 3 into 3, what's the meaning? 6 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Here numerator divided by 3, what's the meaning? 4 by 9. Yes, clear? Just equal to simplify. Over here 2a is equal to what's the value? 4 by 9. So what are conclusions? A is equal to 2 by 9. That's the value. Yes, clear? A is equal to 2 by 9. So same way here I find out what's the value. So given the problem is x divided by x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 2. Is equal to what's the value of a? A is equal to 2 by 9 into the factor is x minus 1. B value, what's the b value? Plus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 the whole square. Next c value, the c value is equal to minus 2 by 9 into x plus 2. Is clear? So here rational functions, I convert the partial fraction method. So here put x is equal to 0, I find out the value of a. Otherwise, if you put x is equal to minus 1, no problem, you find out the value of a, same value. Here put x is equal to 2 also, you could substitute, you find out the value. So better you would apply the small value. Okay. Next, another way, same way. Otherwise, you take it the coefficient methods. Coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x also you got to utilize. So next third one problem, I got to utilize how to use the coefficient method also. Okay. So you find out the constant unknown value a, b, c. So first you substitute the value of factor value. Next you will take the coefficient method. Otherwise you are substituting method, any one value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Small value you will substitute. Is clear? This type of problem repeating linear factor. Next, irreducible quadratic factor. What is the irreducible quadratic factor? Means what is the given problem? 2 divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. So here 1 minus x is a different linear factor. Here 1 plus x square cannot be factorized because a complex number will come. So x square plus 1 cannot be factorized. So the denominator value cannot be factorized means you will utilize the irreducible quadratic factor method. Is clear? So this type of problem, how to introduce the constant? First I got to introduce a divided by 1 minus x. Next here 1 plus x square. So degree should be 2. So you introduce the 2 constant. So over here 2 constant means over here bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square. So now here what's the left hand side? 2 divided by 1 minus x into what's the meaning? 1 plus x square. Here same way again I will take a denominator constant. You take a LCM 1 minus x into here 1 plus x square. What's the here? A into 1 minus x. You got to remove it. What's the remaining? 1 plus x square. Plus b into 1 plus x square. Remove it. What are the remaining? Bx plus c into what's the meaning? 1 minus x. So this whole denominator should be cancelled. What are the remaining? 2 into a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. Bx plus c into 1 minus x. First you substitute the factor values. What's the factor value? Put x is equal to 1. That's clear. That the value should be 0. That's my factor value. So here I will substitute, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 means what's the here? 2. So equal to here 1 means of a into 2. Again put x is equal to 1 means the entire value should be 0. So total will be bx plus c also 0. What are conclusions? A is equal to 1. That's clear. I find out the value of a is equal to 1. Next I find out the value of a, b and c. Two unknown values. Is clear. So now you could utilize substitution. Put x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. You could follow one way method. Or I will take the coefficient. What's the coefficient? First I will take it coefficient of x square. Okay, coefficient of x square. What's the coefficient of x square? Here left hand side any coefficient of x square value is no. So I will put here 0. Next what's the coefficient of x square? A plus ax square. So the coefficient of x square value is equal to a. Is clear? A into x square. Next again this value here bx plus c into 1 minus x. Here multiple value bx plus c into what's the meaning? 1 minus x. Here also multiple. So you got multiple bx minus bx square plus c minus cx. Is clear? So this value means b into minus cx square plus c minus x. Is clear? So I will take it coefficient of x square means here x square means I will take it a. Again I will take it here both are multiple term, I should multiple. What's the coefficient of x square? Here coefficient of x square means minus b. Upper here what the value? Minus b. So already I know that what's the value of a? A is equal to 1. So by a is equal to 1 means if I given the problem a is equal to b. So what a conclusion? B is equal to 1. Is clear? Understood? This is the value of coefficient of x square. Next I find out substitute coefficient of x. Here I will substitute the coefficient of x. What's the coefficient of x? Here any coefficient terms here? No. Over here take it 0. Next here constant a plus ax square. So I need coefficient of x. So you don't need here. Next again I will take it a coefficient of x. Just where is the coefficient of x value? Coefficient of x is equal to b. Next here x square plus c is a constant. Again coefficient of x is equal to minus c. Okay, coefficient of x is equal to minus c. So what a conclusion? B is equal to c also. For conclusion B is equal to c. What's the value? Therefore c is equal to 1. Is clear? Next again you utilize. Substitute the value of here what's the meaning? A divided by 1 minus x and again 1 plus x squared is equal to what's the value of a? That a is equal to 1. But here 1 divided by 1 minus x. Here plus bx plus c. B value is equal to 1. Here 180x plus c value is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x squared. That's the meaning of 1 divided by 1 minus x plus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x squared. So here rational function I convert the partial fractions. Yes, clear? Understood my children? So here in this video they discussed about repeating linear factor and irreducible quadratic factor methods also. Yes, clear? You understood my children? So next video same concept, how to use the integrations. Integration of by partial fraction. So in the last 3 videos we will discuss about what is meant by partial fractions. Okay, so any rational function, how to convert the partial fraction method. So in the 3 videos we will discuss about any rational function, how to convert the partial fraction. This is a concept. Okay, next on the how to convert the partial fraction, afterwards how to integrate. So you can watch the next video for exercise 7.5. Exercise 7.5 concept based on the problems.